Hello guys, once again welcome back to your big guy channel. In this video we will talk about how to join two texts from different cells. So in this cell you have in first name, in this cell you have last name. So here we will join last name, first name, then full name. So how do we do it? There are several ways to do it, so we will look at them one by one. As you can see here, we have joined them by AND function. Same here, we have kept it only space. Here we have put the comma in between. So how do we do that? So equals always, and we take the first, then we have to use the function and double quotes. If you want to put comma, you can put comma here, and double quotes again, and then the second text after and second text. That's it. Press enter. Here we have joined this. Now in first, as you can see, there is a space. Here there is no space, so for that you can just have a space in between those two. That's it, and press enter. So we drag it down, all will work the same way. Now we put complete name, so with again with the AND function, so equals first and double quotes. Now here is space, double quotes, and next name. That's it. So it gives you the complete name. This is you can do with the function of AND. Now we will talk about something else. Here we'll talk about flash fill function. How the flash fill function work? You can just simply type ANC by Nancy, comma Smith, and go to the data function and use the function called flash fill. This is the flash fill function. When you press, it will work. Now one more time we can say ANC. You just need to type only one and it will work however you want it. Now here you press this flash fill function and the data function, press, it's done. So that's one way. Another way to do this is same, it's a shortcut of flash fill. You know, if you do not know where the flash fill exists in your reference, in your data, so what you need to do, you simply need to remember a shortcut key, which is Control E. So I'm gonna show you once again. We type comma space Smith. Now I will just press Control and E from the keyboard. Now it's done. Same. So there are several ways, as you can see right now. Again I will press Control E. It's all filled up. Okay. Another way to do those, we can have another formula called concatenate. So for that you need to put equals concatenate here text 1. So this is text 1, comma, so you need to put comma again. So inside double quotes you need to put comma and comma, that will be text 3. Press bracket close, press enter. So Nancy Smith with comma in between. Now if you want to put a space, you can do that too. Equals concatenate, I hope you're getting so far, comma, inside double quotes you don't have to put comma, only space. So comma text 2, bracket close. Now we have a space in between, and in a proper format we have the text. So that is it. It's very simple, very easy to do that. Now this was to join two texts. Now we talk about joining text and numbers. It's all works the same way. There's no much difference. We'll just have a look only in one function for as of now. Alright, so how is it gonna work? So we are here. So here we're going to put last name, first name, and the number. So we will use the function comma. Here we will use flash fill function Smith or comma 32. Example, if I need this formatting, and I will just press enter, and I can press simply Control E or go to my data tab and press flash fill like this. It works with the numbers and text both. That's what the whole meaning was. Now you can put formula, or again you can simply type Nancy by Nancy Smith and 32. Here goes Control E. It's all done. That's it. So that's it about this video, guys. Hope you like it. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are so many other videos coming up. See you next time. Bye bye.